When you get directions from an app on your phone, you're getting a direct benefit from military technology that was groundbreaking when it was first used in Operation Desert Storm. In 1990, Iraqi forces invaded Kuwait, setting the stage for one of the most successful air campaigns in U.S. history. With new, innovative technology like the Global Positioning System, or GPS, the U.S. military and coalition partners were able to coordinate their movements in real time. GPS was a game changer, tech that was years ahead of anything Saddam Hussein's forces had. Using satellites in a strategic way gave U.S. and coalition forces an advantage the enemy couldn't match. Today, new and innovative concepts like hypersonics are being developed and refined by the Department of Defense. Hypersonics technology allows flight at 5 times the speed of sound, or Mach 5. That kind of speed impacts range, maneuverability, survivability, and lethality for warfighting. But unlike the tech advantage the US had over Iraq in the Gulf War, the gap between US and peer competitors working toward the same goal is much more narrow. The DoD says China and Russia are developing hypersonics for both nuclear and conventional weapon systems. Just like the investments in emerging technologies were critical to US success in Desert Storm, the Air Force is accelerating change through continuing investment in new and advanced tech like hypersonics to create advantages for joint and coalition forces in all warfighting domains.